guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to talk to you about something that's happening that's super exciting. Talk to you guys about some things when it comes to YouTube. Basically they want you to stick to one niche. So basically my channel, Yesenia A Mom's Life, is mainly a cleaning channel. You don't see me moving too much from that because whenever I do, the video doesn't do very well and YouTube doesn't really push my videos. But I have been having this craving or this feeling of wanting to do more on my channel. So back in the day I used to do Dollar Tree videos, Walmart videos, shop with me, DIYs. I pretty much did everything that had to do with mommy content, anything that has to do with my life, but it was too many titles, too many different things. So I noticed that was affecting my channel, so I cut it down to cleaning videos. And no matter what, this channel will stay as cleaning channel. Yesenia A Mom's Life will be my main channel, my cleaning channel, and I will still be posting every Wednesday and Saturday. But my big announcement is I have started a vlogging channel called Simply Yesenia. I'm so excited because I just have all these ideas and the possibilities of things that I can do. And basically over on that channel I will do meal prepping videos, meal planning, vlogging, shop with me's, hauls, my Rae Dunn, anything that pretty much interests me will be over on that channel. I still enjoy filming my cleaning videos, but I wanted to do more and wanted to keep these two things separate so that it doesn't affect my main channel. So Yesenia A Mom's Life is still my main channel, but Simply Yesenia will be so much more of all the things that I basically want to film, vlogs, and I just have so many ideas that I want to film for you guys. So please, I would love to see you over there. I will also make sure to leave the link to my new channel down in my description box. I don't know how often I'm going to be posting over there. Right now it will be once a week. For now I might add more. So my first video will be on Monday and I'm so excited. Oh my god, I haven't been this excited in such a long time. And thank you to a wonderful friend for pushing me to actually starting my vlogging channel, because I was talking to her about wanting to film more stuff, but kind of YouTube doesn't really let you explore and be creative when it comes to stuff like that. And she encouraged me to start my channel, which I'm so grateful for, because I'm the type of person that I will wait till I have a certain amount of subscribers to focus on something else, or I like to wait and do research, and basically I stall so much to the point I don't even start something new, mainly because of fear. So I'm excited, I'm gonna do it, and I would love to see you guys support over there. So my first video will be on Monday, so I will start vlogging this weekend so I can have something to post for you guys. So oh my god, I'm so excited. And I want to thank you guys for being so supportive here on Yesenia A Mom's Life. It will still be cleaning videos, but I don't know if you guys noticed that I've been trying to sneak some things in my cleaning videos. That's something different that was different from cleaning, because I've been wanting to do more. Well, this time I actually get to do it, you guys. So I would love to see you guys over there. I'll make sure to leave the link to my new channel down in the description box. And thank you guys. So see you on the next one. Bye guys.